Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PS4 controller on a Wii. Unfortunately, directly connecting a PlayStation 4 controller to a Nintendo Wii console is not natively supported. The Wii's operating system does not include the necessary drivers or Bluetooth protocols to recognize a PS4 controller. Achieving compatibility typically requires significant technical workarounds, often involving third-party hardware or custom software installations. To even begin this process, you will likely need specific hardware, such as a USB adapter or a Bluetooth dongle designed for this purpose. These devices act as an intermediary, translating the PS4 controller's signals for the Wii. Additionally, many successful methods involve installing the Wii's homebrew channel, which allows for custom software and drivers to be loaded onto the console. This step is crucial for enabling the necessary controller recognition. Once you have the necessary hardware and software, the first step is to install any custom firmware or homebrew applications onto your Wii. Next, connect your USB adapter or Bluetooth dongle into one of the Wii's available USB ports. You will then need to pair your PlayStation 4 controller with this adapter, following the adapter's specific instructions. Finally, within the homebrew software, you will configure the controller mappings to ensure proper in-game functionality. It is important to note that even with a successful setup, you might experience some limitations. Performance can vary, and input lag may occasionally be noticeable, impacting your gaming experience. Furthermore, not every Wii game will fully support a PlayStation 4 controller, even with adapters. For a more seamless experience, consider using the Wii's classic controllers or a Wii U Pro controller, which offer native compatibility and better performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.